Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about Ansible. So what is Ansible? Ansible is an open source IT tool provided by Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which is RHEL, that helps in configuration management, orchestration service, task and application deployment automation. So basically Ansible perform all the functions related to deployment of an application and configuration management of an application. Now this tool is aimed to help system administrators who are seeking to minimize recurring tasks so that they don't have to repeat the same task again and again, and they can have a seamless deployment environment with easy automation. Now YAML stands for YAML and markup language, and that's very easy human readable language, and this is the reason why it is being used in the Ansible platform. Now another advantage is to use Ansible is that there is no need to install an agent in the hosts, which enhances the communication speed, as it is both push and pull models to send commands to its Linux nodes. So basically what's happening is that you don't have to install an separate agent on the host system. So you can simply use the Ansible tool by configuring some commands over both the host and the client machine. Now talking about the Ansible architecture, in the local machine we have modules and inventory. So inventory is basically the configuration set up by the user, and the modules are the simply the playbooks, or we can say that the modules are the codes written by the user according to which the applications are configured. Now the local machine is connected to nodes, which are the client machines, through the SSH protocol and the SSH client. So basically what is happening is that the playbooks or the code written by the users on the local machines are pushed onto the nodes with the help of SSH protocol, and this is how the Ansible architecture works. Now here nodes are the systems to be configured. They are controlled by the local machine. So here the nodes are the system which are being configured by the help of this local machine. And here we have the modules and inventory, and according to those configuration of the modules and inventory, we are simply controlling the nodes and configuring the nodes according to our needs. Now talking about Ansible, it is a pull configuration tool. So pull configuration tool, simply what it does is that it checks with the server periodically and fetch the configuration from it. So the nodes are basically pulling the configuration, or we can say that it is taking an update, timely updates from the server, and pulling the new configurations which are updated in the server. Also, it acts as a push configuration tool, which means that servers pushes the configuration to the nodes, which means that if there is some updates, if there are some commands, if there are some configuration which needs to be updated on the server nodes, then we can simply use the Ansible tool for that. Now in the end, the Ansible is a basically push configuration tool. It is more likely to be used as a push configurable tool, because the other tools like Shuffle, Pep, Puppet are only pull configuration tools. So in case of Chef and Puppet, the node can only pull the configurations from the server, and we cannot directly push the configurations from the server. But here in Ansible, we can simply push all our settings and the configurations and all our protocols from the server with the use of simple few commands. So in today's video, we learned basically how the Ansible's infrastructure works. And friends, that was all for today's video. Thank you.